In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Don't worry, you don't need to download any recorder app because your Huawei already has one. So find it, it's this one called Recorder, and when you're ready, launch it. Now use red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this left button. To add a bookmark, right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And most people don't know that you can actually use this one at the top right corner. And thanks to it, enable voice enhancement. You can disable it by clicking on the same one again. To end recording, use the same red button you used before. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Now it's time to manage it. You can select it by clicking on it on the left. You can play it thanks to this button at the bottom. And manage it thanks to all of those options. You can add a bookmark while listening. You can speed it up, skip silences, or disable skipping silences. And my favorite one, which is edit. After tapping on it, pinch your fingers to zoom in and out, like that. Now select a portion of your recording you wanna manage and hit trim over here. Then decide if you wish to keep selected part or delete selected part. To save your changes, make sure to tap on this checkmark at the top right corner. To discard them, use this X at the top left one. As you can see, my original recording is here, and here is a copy. You can also click on this icon at the top right corner to use all of those options, like rename, or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!